Control Shift is a puzzle platformer video game in which players utilize multiple unique control schemes in concert with one another to solve challenges and overcome obstacles. The player is encouraged to investigate the abilities at their disposal by exploring 3 different control schemes presented to them. The effects that the player triggers and the implications of these effects may not be readily understood, as the player can only discover how to master their abilities by continuing to explore and progress in the game. Players become control shift virtuosos as they begin to perceive the 3 different control schemes as one intricate interface. Control Shift is a project that is unique in that it fundamentally revolves around the notion that video game controllers typically play a transparent role in the gameplay experience, rather than being thoroughly utilized in video games to create challenging and thought-provoking gameplay puzzles. Most video games disregard the gameplay opportunities that can be found in using a video game controller in new and unconventional ways. While it is true that in recent years, video game console manufacturers have made push towards developing interfaces that do not rely on the typical button and joystick controllers, the games that are designed to make use of these novel control interfaces often fail to utilize the controls themselves as a significant part of the game. It is from this situation that Control Shift developed, as a game that completely revolves around the controls.
The development of Control Shift had to do with designing software. We created our game in HTML5 and JavaScript, while designing the visual elements in Adobe Photoshop. For the hardware components, we utilized a Sony DualShock 3 controller, along with a dance mat and the Rock Band drum set, each of which provides its inputs into our game system, where the inputs are then translated over to the sets of physics and rules that we have applied to each controller. We aim to have Control Shift be a new type of gaming experience, one that draws upon creative use of physical, interactive devices to produce a rewarding and entertaining experience for its participants.